Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Binary Master. Today's video is going to be very interesting. Today I will trade on OTC market with buy and sell script. This script is very good and very profitable, and many professional traders earn profit by following this strategy. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for features update. We are best binary signals provider. You can find the Telegram signals link in the description of this video. Take a look at my Telegram channel. So let's start live trade for better understanding. Let's dive into the IQ option platform and apply this script in real time. I'll walk you through the steps, explaining each move and decision. Feel free to follow along on your own trading journey. But before we dive into the script, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest trading tips and strategies. Let's get started. First things first, let's quickly recap what OTC trading is for our new traders. OTC, or over-the-counter trading, involves direct trade between two parties without a centralized exchange or broker. It's an exciting space, and having the right script can make a significant difference in your success. Now, why IQ option? Well, it's a user-friendly platform with a variety of assets and trading options. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, IQ option provides the tools you need. If you haven't already, sign up now. The link is in the description. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. Our 100% accurate script for OTC trading on IQ option. This script is based on thorough analysis, historical data, and market trends. Remember, though, even with a perfect script, it's crucial to manage risks and trade responsibly. As we go through the demonstration, I'll share additional tips and best practices to maximize the effectiveness of this script. These insights can be the game changer in your trading strategy. That concludes our video on the OTC trading script with a 100% accurate strategy on IQ option. If you found this valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. Subscribe for more insightful content, and as always, trade wisely. See you in the next video. Happy trading!